Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to transfer money from Wise to your bank account. Firstly, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter your PIN code. Now you will be led to your home page, and at the top left, you can see Send Money option. Tap on it. Now you will be led to this kind of page where you need to enter the money that you want to send to your bank account. After that, at the downside, you need to choose the currency. And there you can see the conversion of the amount that you have entered. Now you have to simply tap on Continue. Now at the top right, you can see Add option. Tap on it. And there you need to choose Someone Else. Now you will be led to this kind of page where you need to enter their account details. Now after you are done entering your information, you can simply tap on Confirm. And after that, you need to follow through a process. And if you follow it, then you will be able to transfer your money in your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.